Why publishing sounds easy until each platform needs its own setup, files, pricing, and details. If you miss one thing, your pre-order could go live with mistakes. When I upload to Google Play Books, I don't treat it as just another box to check. I see it as another important part of my publishing system. Next, I upload the book to Google Play Books. Google Play Books is one of those platforms that can be very valuable, especially if you want to publish wide and reach readers outside of the Amazon ecosystem. One thing I like about Google Play Books is that it can take assetless pre-orders. That means you can set up a pre-order without uploading the final file. But personally, I still prefer to upload the final manuscript when I can. Again, it's about peace of mind. I don't want a pre-order sitting there with a missing file unless I have a reason to do that. If the final manuscript is ready, I would rather upload it, check it, and know the book is set. There's enough to manage during a release. I don't need extra open loops. First, you decide on a sell option. Then, ID. I'm using my ebooks ISBN. Metadata. Description. Page count. Fix that. Release date. Allow pre-order. Save. Now for the BISACs. Save, continue. Author. Save and continue. Add to series. Continue to settings. This I've never changed, but if you feel you need to, do so. Save. Now upload EPUB and cover file. It will be a few minutes before these files are in Google. Continue. With the prices, I can put in all three. Continue. Publish. This will update. There it goes. Google Play Books can be a strong part of wide publishing setup, especially if your readers buy outside of Amazon or if you want your book available across more places. If you're building a long-term author business, it's worth understanding how Google Play Books fit into your sales system. Even if it's not your biggest platform right now, it can still be part of your overall reach. The thing to remember is your upload routine should make things less stressful, not more. If your final file is ready, uploading early can help you feel more prepared and in control. It gives you one less thing to worry about as your release date approaches. Wide publishing takes more setup, but it also gives your books more chances to be discovered. When you build your system carefully, each release gets a little smoother than the last. If you're ready to keep learning how to upload and publish your books the right way, then check out this playlist next. It will help you build a smoother publishing process so you can stop guessing and move through each step with more confidence. Click on it now, and I'll see you there.